Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to our tips for a top FIDE rubric. Today we're going to see the difference between the verbs rencontrer and retrouver. In English, it's easy, it's the same verb to meet. So when do we use it then? Rencontrer, we use the verb rencontrer when it's only for the first time you meet someone. So for example, you would say, hier, j'ai rencontré le nouveau propriétaire. Yesterday, I met the new landlord. Retrouver, or se retrouver, could be reflexive as well. We use this one when you meet your friends, your family, or someone else, but not for the first time. So for example, you would say, demain, je vais retrouver mes amis à 17h. Tomorrow, I'm going to meet my friends at 5. Voilà, now you know the difference between these two verbs, very important. And on se retrouve la semaine prochaine pour de nouvelles rubriques. See you next week, guys.